There is only one rule of successful hair transplant, and there are 1,000 reasons it can go wrong. Each hair transplanted hair can grow successfully if it is transplanted with science, and there is only one rule which can make your hair transplant successful, and there are 1,000 reasons which can also lead to its failure. So let's know what are those reasons and the rule.
Magical experience your maybe short time. You are very good hands. I am very happy to work with you.
Hi, this is Dr. Vivek Galani, founder and chief hair transplant surgeon at RQC Hair Transplant Clinic, Surat, India. So let's start our video. Let's start with the reasons which can lead to the failure of our hair transplant. So there are two main reasons. The number one is the OT setup, operation theater setup. It should not be a poor OT setup. So how should be the operation theater which makes it the best one, the good one? So the number one rule of operation theater is the sterility protocols. One must follow the sterility protocols with the standard guidelines. Number two is the instrumentation which are going to be used. These instruments should be also sterilized, and the maximum number of instruments should be the disposable ones, so use and throw. And also the magnification. See, the hair follicle structure is a very small thing, very small structure. You cannot see properly with the naked eye. You have to use the magnification tools to handle it properly. So with the use of magnification lenses, microscopes, we can manhandle the hair follicles very nicely, very well. And the fourth thing is the chair in which you are going to sleep, and we are going to perform the hair transplant surgery. See, the procedure is quite long, 8 to 10, it takes about 8 to 10 hours. So you should be comfortable first, then the doctor and his team will be comfortable. So it is also the important thing. And second important thing is the hair transplant surgeon who is going to perform your hair transplant procedure. So he should be skilled. Why? Because the graft, the hair follicle unit, it is very delicate in nature, so you have to handle it very properly. See, there is a high transaction rate if we are using the instruments which are not good in quality. The transaction rate, that means when we are doing the extraction, the hair should come out with its root. So if with the poor technologies, what happens, the hair gets cut in between. So root stays behind in your skin and the upper part of the hair comes out. So if you implant that hair, it won't grow. So the transaction rate is also important. Second thing is implantation methods. How, after getting out, after doing extraction, how are you implanting those hair follicles? So what we are doing currently is the no root touch technique, in which what happens, the root of your hair follicle, we do not touch it during the entire procedure, so it is completely safe. This technique is known as no root touch technique. Third thing, that is the time. Once we do the extraction and then we do the implantation, this is the in between time. This should be very less, as much as possible. So for this we use FIFO concept, that is first in first out concept. That means the first hair that we extracted, that will go first inside, that will be implanted first, so that we can minimize the duration of hair outside of your body. And also the temperature, the graft holding temperature should be also very well maintained. So these are the reasons. And also the post-operative care, the post-operative care should be following the nice guidelines, good guidelines. So that is also the important point. So all of these points, all of these reasons, they affect your success ratio. Success ratio, see, when you go for hair transplant, your transplanted hair are going to grow, but the matter thing is how many of it will grow. So if it is less, then the result will be down, and the ratio, the growing rate is high, then the growth will be high, the result, final result will be very, very high. So these are the reasons that I can think of now, and there are thousands more, but there is only one simple rule which if you can follow, your hair transplant result, your hair transplant success rate can go very high. And this simple rule is the hair transplant surgeon. Your hair transplant surgeon should be highly qualified, highly experienced, and highly skillful, and with him, his technical team, his nursing staff should also be highly trained, highly skillful. And to make this happen, to improvise our skills, experience, we visited World's Hair Transplant Hub, Turkey, and after learning so many new things, we integrated those things into our skill, experience, and in our clinic. So hair transplant is combination of nature, science, and art, and in RQC we bring it all together. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching our channel. Have a great day. Thank you.